Scott Davis from The Morning Breach, and your organization may be sabotaging its own cybersecurity efforts. You likely acknowledge the importance of having a dedicated cybersecurity department or even outsourcing security to a vendor. Cybersecurity is complex and the threats are evolving faster than AOL could dial into the internet. But there are blind spots, and if you're not careful, you may find yourself breached. First, cybersecurity must be a conversation that involves everyone that's involved in it. Protecting data is everyone's responsibility, and everyone has a stake in it staying secure. So your IT team or vendor can't work in isolation. Communication with the wider organization is crucial. This is everyone from the C suite down to the rank and file staff. It's crucial because it helps you drive home everyone's role in protecting corporate data. You should be comfortable talking to everyone about the risks your organization faces every day. Second, it's easy to forget that security testing is more than just bug testing. Design and process flaws are a critical threat, and it could be argued is even a larger threat than human error. For this reason, security testing must involve thorough examination of the design and processes surrounding software applications. With this, your implemented processes and policies, such as password policies, business continuity, acceptable use policies, and others, should be reviewed and updated on a regular basis. As technology changes and the ways end users connect and operate change as well. After all, who would have thought a year ago that the vast majority of workers would be working from home and not in an office building today? Third and finally, band-aids or short-term solutions don't solve long-term issues. We've all done it just to get the user back online. But when we don't fix the underlying problem, the issue is not truly fixed. The same is true on firms that develop a solution that solves a temporary problem rather than focusing on the long-term issue. It should be the number one goal of getting the end user back up as soon as possible. But you have to continue to troubleshoot and resolve the root cause of the problem. Otherwise, it will continue to haunt you, either by repeating itself or opening up other risks. I am sure for many of you, these three ways ring true to a degree. Use Cybersecurity Awareness Month as an excuse to increase your security and stop sabotaging your own cybersecurity efforts.